Why is my Beforepay limit so low? Is it a personal attack? A cosmic joke? Or is there a more logical explanation? Let's dive in and uncover the mystery behind your limited Beforepay limit. Understanding Beforepay. Beforepay, for those who are new to the game, is a fantastic financial tool that allows you to access your salary before payday. It's like a little financial lifeline, helping you bridge the gap between paychecks. But why is your limit set at a measly $200? Factors affecting your Beforepay limit. Several factors can influence your Beforepay limit. Let's break them down. Your income. The higher your income, the higher your limit. Consistent income, a steady paycheck history can boost your limit. Your repayment history. A clean repayment history is key. Late or missed payments can significantly impact your limit. Your employer's partnership. Your employer's partnership with Beforepay can influence your limit. Strong partnerships often lead to higher limits. Beforepay's risk assessment. Beforepay uses advanced algorithms to assess risk. Factors like your financial behavior and credit history can play a role. How to increase your Beforepay limit. Now that we know the factors, let's discuss how to increase your limit. Consistent repayments. Prioritize timely repayments. A strong repayment history can significantly boost your limit. Communicate with Beforepay. Reach out to Beforepay's customer support. Explain your financial situation and request a limit review. Improve your financial health. Build a solid credit score. Reduce debt and increase savings. Consider additional income sources. Side hustles or additional jobs can improve your income profile. Common misconceptions. Let's debunk some common myths about Beforepay limits. Myth 1, it's personal. Reality, Beforepay's decisions are based on data and algorithms. Myth 2, it's a fixed limit. Reality, your limit can fluctuate based on your financial behavior. While a low Beforepay limit might be frustrating, understanding the factors involved can help you take steps to increase it. By prioritizing timely repayments, communicating with Beforepay, and improving your overall financial health, you can unlock your full Beforepay potential. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.